Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore forms and CTA tracking in ClickUp step by step clearly. To restore forms and CTA tracking in ClickUp, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to restore your forms. Locate the Integrations option in the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to open the integration settings. Search for the integration related to forms or CTA tracking. Once found, click on it to access its settings. Check if the integration is currently disabled. If it is, toggle the switch to enable it. Next, go to the Forms section within the designated workspace. Click on Add Form to create a new form or select an existing one to modify. Ensure all fields are filled out correctly, including titles and descriptions. After setting up the form, navigate to the Integrate tab. Here, connect your form to the desired CTA tracking tools. Follow any authentication prompts to link your account. Once linked, save all changes to finalize the integration. Return to the main dashboard and check for successful integration notifications. To verify if tracking is functioning, submit a test entry through the form. Review the data captured in the Reports section to confirm accuracy. If everything looks good, your forms and CTA tracking are now restored successfully. You're ready to use ClickUp with enhanced tracking capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.